After months of waiting, today is the day. My container from London has finally arrived and inside is everything I've been missing. My kitchen equipment, my tools, my books, and basically all the parts that helped me build the system I relied on for the past 12 years. When you move to a new country or go through any bigger transition, it's easy to feel lost, and that's exactly how I felt for the past few weeks, really disconnected from my flow. I kept myself busy, but it's been a long time since I felt this heavy. Now I want to take this chance to show you how I rebuilt that rhythm from scratch, the systems, the recipe and the remedies, and the lifestyle that allows me to feel aligned, creative and at peace. These tools have traveled with me through years of recipes and rituals, and it's just a little more than unpacking. It's reconnecting, rebuilding and realigning. No, I'm not setting this up randomly. I'm using exactly the same method I share in my book, the Mindful Kitchen Map, which is a system I developed over the past 12 years to navigate the challenges of neurodivergence, anxiety and burnout, all while building a life rooted in well-being, creativity and mindfulness. The map breaks the kitchen into 6 distinct regions like a compass, so you always know where things go and more importantly how you feel when you're there. Let's start with the pantry, what I call the library of ingredients. It supports memory, nourishment and flow. I need to see everything so I can maintain rotation, reduce waste and spark a little creativity. This is my foundation. Every jar, every label, it's a part of building clarity. And yes, I've got a little video on this if you're curious. Be kind because it was one of my first, I link it in the description. Next in the map we have the cabinets or the hidden chambers, which hold the tools and treasures, from fermented food to instant meals and snacks that don't rely on the junk you find on the supermarket shelves. You will see how I create systems designed for busy people with ingredients that make real food fast. Then we have the fridge and the freezer, which basically are time capsules. The fridge is where I keep my dairy-free staples, probiotic and everything gut health. The freezer instead has some pretty damn good snacks and preps you didn't think possible to make at home. Even the rubbish has a place. I call it the Resource Recovery Center because waste doesn't belong in a mindful kitchen. Together we'll explore how to turn scraps into broths, sauces and even snacks. And finally, the Homegrow Heaven. You probably seen my garden in London and that was my piece. I will be trying to recreate the same here, but I don't have a massive garden this time. But I got a pond and a space to regenerate and try to create something beautiful. Even a small pot of herb can reconnect you to your food. That's it, that's the Mindful Kitchen Map. Again, a system that helps you turn your kitchen into a space that supports your energy, your values and your purpose. A place that grounds you, inspires and heals you. Your energy shapes your attention and focus, your focus transforms habits into a lifestyle, and your lifestyle defines your reality and the life you choose to experience. So, if you ever felt overwhelmed in your kitchen or disconnected from food, I've been there. And that's why I want to share this series with you. To show you that with a little intention, the right tools and a clear system, you can reclaim your kitchen as a sanctuary and make a statement on food sovereignty the right way. Before we explore every area of the system, recipes and remedies, next week I will give my body and mind a deeper reset. I'll be starting a week of water fasting and I'll show you how I prepare, create the right environment and what I do while fasting. But I won't be posting while I do it. I'll try to document as much as it feels right, but I'll be offline, fully present, with a little social media fasting too. So, if this journey speaks to you, subscribe, follow along, and if you want, you can also pre-order the Mindful Kitchen Map. See you soon, peace.